mode, you have to calculate from this frequency table and obtain histogram and frequency curve of Mars, and obtain mean deviation, standard deviation, CV, and quartile deviation of Mars. So this is a grouped frequency table. So directly functions cannot be used here because functions are given for ordinary data. For frequency tables, none of the functions will work. So all these you have to calculate by formula. So I have copied it on Excel here. So first question I have written, mean, median, mode of Mars to be calculated. So what you have to do here is, these are the values, midpoints I have written here, and frequencies also I have copied here. So what is required here, xi into fi. And copy that downwards. So first one is x1 f1, second one is x2 f2, third is x3 f3, fourth is x4 f4, fifth is x5 f5. Take the sum of all this. Okay, and total of the frequency already calculated here. So what will be the mean value? Mean value will be this sum divided by the sum of the frequencies. So that is that. Now median, how you calculate for such a table? Such a table, what you do, we get the cumulative frequencies. So how do you calculate the cumulative frequencies? We'll show you. So the first frequency same is the cumulative frequency. So I can write the same there. The second one, previous cumulative frequency plus the present frequency will give this. So what I have to do is the previous frequency plus the present frequency. So the rest of the things I can copy it, will come automatically. So the total 139, total 139. So n by 2 I have to calculate. So that is the total here, 139 divided by 2. So 69.5. So where it has crossed that 69.5, here you have to see. So up to here it is 47. Here it has reached 90. So here it has crossed. So yellow color I have given. That's the median class. So I have to use this formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus sigma fm by f median into C. So it will be equal to, so L plus lower limit, that is 40, plus n by 2. So we'll put everything in bracket. N by 2 is this minus cumulative frequency of the previous class. So this is the cumulative present median class. Previous class is this, its cumulative frequency 47. Close the bracket. Into C. Class width, that is 20, divided by frequency of the median class, that is 43. That's enough. Similarly, mode, highest frequency, I highest frequency where it comes. Highest frequency is 43. So mode class also same, 40 to 60. So this formula you have to use. So it's equal to L40 plus delta 1 divided by delta 1 plus delta 2. So the difference between 30 and 50, that is 20, into pass width, that is 20. Sorry, difference between 43 and 29. 43 minus 29 will be 13, 14 it will be. Okay? Into C divided by delta 1 plus delta 2, that is 14 plus. What's the difference? 43 and 25. So 15 plus 3, 18. 48.75. Next, a histogram I have already shown. Similarly, frequency curve also you can obtain from there. What you can do is, instead of going for further, just go for the bar chart here and make it a histogram. Just remove this one. Format data series, and the gap you reduce, and then so this is a histogram. But here one problem is there. For histogram, the boundary values are usually at the boundaries 0, 20 like that. So use a text box above that and hide this one, and use the number 0, 20, 40, 60 like that. Finish off. Similarly, you can use this one for the frequency curve also. You can come here and insert these curves. You get it, and here you can make the changes. So that will be the frequency curves. So this also can be done. Okay, third question, mean deviation, standard deviation, CV, quartile deviation. So these are the formulas for that. Let's just try to do one by one. Of course, a little bit more calculations are there. So first of all, you have to calculate the mean value. A mean already calculated, I think. We have the mean value here. Okay, use that. So first of all, mean deviation, you have to get Fi into Xi minus X bar the whole square. And standard deviation, its square also is required. So what we can do, simply put this Fi is here into absolute value of Xi minus X bar, that is here. Enter. And that X bar, you have to make it absolute. Make it and now copy it down. And take the sum of that. Format cells number. Okay, the next one is Fi into Xi minus X bar the whole square. Fi into xi minus x bar the whole square. And copy it down. Take the total. So that's also available. So mean deviation here will be that total which you got here divided by total frequency. What's the total frequency? You got the total frequency 139. So standard deviation again. Yeah. SQRT, that's a square root of this total divided by n. And this is standard deviation by mean into 100. And quartile 1, 2, and 3 you have to get to calculate the quartile deviation. So that we can get it here. So you have to calculate here n by 4. Is 139 divided by 4. And here 3n by 4 also. Equal to 3 into so the values you got here so 34 and 104. So here it's overcoming the 34. So this is, I'll give another color. Maybe this color. That is Q1 class where it is crossing over 34. And this 104, that is Q3 class. Okay. Now, we need to complete this. What is Q1? L1 plus is equal to. What is the lower limit of that? That's 20. As n by 4 within bracket n by 4 minus sigma f1, the cumulative frequency of the previous one, that is 80. Into the class width, that is 20, divided by FQ1, the frequency of that class, 29. Okay. Similarly, you can get Q3 and quartile deviation will be Q1 minus that formula I have not given. quartile deviation will be, it is given here, 2, 3 minus Q1 by 2. So this completes this explanation.